So friend, for all Google Pixel fans, the wait is almost over as the company is set to come out with a series of fresh phones launched under the Pixel 10 series. The Google Pixel 10 series launch is set to take place on August 20, 2025 and Google will unveil 4 models, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL and the top tier foldable, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. And according to multiple reports, the Pixel 10 is likely to feature 6.3-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and it has peak brightness of 3000 nits and powered by Tensor G5 chipset. It has 48 megapixel to 50 megapixel primary rear camera, reportedly similar to the one on the Pixel 9a, and it has 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a downgrade from last year's 48 megapixel, and it has 10.8 megapixel telephoto sensor, possibly borrowed from the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and it has Li-ion 4970 mAh battery and 29 watt wired PD 3.0 PPS 15 watt wireless and 12 watt wireless QI compatible charger. It has also reverse wireless and bypass charging according to GSM Arena. And the price of the base Pixel 10 with 128GB of storage will start from $799, and as its predecessor did, The Verge reported, citing Android headlines, as far as the price of the Pixel 10's 256GB model is concerned, and it is expected to cost around $899. Meanwhile, the Pro level Pixel 10 could still start at $999, jumping to $1,099 for 256GB and $1,219 for 512GB and $1,449 for 1TB. The Pixel 10 Pro XL might be the only model to see a slight price increase, possibly because Google could likely drop the 128GB option rather than starting at $1,099, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL could start at $1,199 for 256GB, matching the current 256GB Pixel 9 Pro XL price. According to Android headlines, the Pixel 10 Pro XL may offer a 512GB model for $1,319 and 1TB model for $1,549. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.